Let's be honest, you probably don't have a money problem. You have a too many shiny objects problem. You've clicked on dozens of videos just like this one, each promising some new secret, a revolutionary hack, or a guaranteed way to be making thousands online by next Tuesday. You've seen the screenshots, the rented Lambos, and the self-proclaimed gurus standing in front of mansions. And where has all that gotten you? My guess is right here, still searching, and feeling more overwhelmed and cynical than when you started. You're not just treading water, you're drowning in a sea of information, and it's led to total analysis paralysis. This cycle of searching, watching, and, most importantly, not doing is the real trap. It's a content hamster wheel designed to keep you consuming, not earning. But what if the answer wasn't another secret strategy? What if the real secret is that there are no secrets? What if there are just a handful of legitimate, realistic, and beginner-friendly business models that are actually working for people right now, heading into 2026? In this video, we're cutting through all that noise. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a clear, honest breakdown of 5 proven paths you can actually start this month, most with little to no financial investment. It's time to stop searching and start building. First up, and arguably the fastest path from zero to your first dollar online, is freelancing. But in 2026, this isn't about just being a decent writer, designer, or video editor anymore. It's about being an AI-assisted specialist. Let's get one thing straight. AI is not just here to take your job. It's more complicated than that. However, freelancers who use AI will absolutely leave those who don't in the dust. Think of AI as a force multiplier for your skills. A task that used to take a writer 5 hours, like drafting a long blog post, can now be outlined and rough drafted in minutes. A graphic designer can generate dozens of visual concepts with a tool like Midjourney or Adobe Firefly before spending hours refining the perfect one. This efficiency is a complete game changer. The bottom hasn't fallen out of freelance work, but it has fallen out for low-effort, generic work. Clients are getting smarter. They know these tools exist, so they aren't willing to pay high hourly rates for basic tasks anymore. What they are willing to pay a premium for, however, are skilled operators, freelancers who can pilot these powerful AI tools to produce high-quality, strategic work that a machine simply can't do alone. They need a human with taste, strategic thinking, and the expertise to edit and refine AI's output into something genuinely valuable. So, how do you start? First, pick one marketable skill. This could be copywriting, social media management, video editing, or being a virtual assistant. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are still fantastic and free places to get your start. Second, master a key AI tool that pairs with that skill. If you're a writer, become an expert in using AI for research, outlining, and drafting. If you're a designer, learn prompt engineering to generate stunning visuals. Third, build a small, killer portfolio. Offer to do a few low-cost projects for small businesses or non-profits to get real-world examples and testimonials. You don't need a fancy degree, you need proof you can deliver results. The opportunity in 2026 isn't just being a freelancer, it's being the human expert who strategically uses AI to deliver better, faster results. That's your unfair advantage. The second model is one of the most overlooked, yet incredibly effective ways to make money. offering a simple digital microservice to local businesses right in your own backyard. Think about the restaurants, dentists, mechanics, and boutiques in your town. Most are run by passionate owners who are experts at their craft, but are completely overwhelmed by the demands of having a modern digital presence. Many of these businesses don't need a massive full-service marketing agency charging thousands a month. They just need someone reliable to handle one specific thing consistently. That's where you come in. You can start this with almost no money, but it does require your time and a bit of hustle. You could offer to manage a local restaurant's Instagram page, posting daily specials, and engaging with customers for a flat monthly fee. Or you could help a local contractor set up a clean, simple one-page website with their contact info and photos of their work. The key here is microservice. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Pick one thing and become the go-to person for it in your community. Alright, here's the game plan. First, you want to identify a single high-value service. Great examples include managing an Instagram page, creating short-form videos for TikTok or Reels, or even optimizing Google business profiles. Second, you'll need to create a simple, one-page PDF that explains what you do, why it's valuable, and what you charge. Just keep it dead simple, really. Third, get out there and talk to business owners. Walk into stores, make phone calls, send emails, whatever works for you. Start with a no-brainer offer like, let me manage your Instagram for 1 month. If you don't see more customer engagement, you don't pay me a dime. This removes all the risk for them and lets you prove your value. And look, you don't have to be a world-renowned expert. You just need to know a little more than the busy business owner you're helping. This model is so powerful because it's built on real relationships and delivers tangible value to businesses that honestly, desperately need it. By the way, if you're getting value out of this and you're ready to finally stop the endless searching, do me a quick favor and hit the like and subscribe button down below. It's a tiny click for you, but it tells the YouTube algorithm that this is the kind of no-fluff actionable content that people are actually looking for. Thanks so much. The creator economy isn't slowing down, but it is getting way more specific. In 2026, the real opportunity isn't just starting another YouTube channel, it's starting a niche content channel. This could be a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, a blog, or a newsletter laser-focused on a very specific topic. And here's the part that holds most people back. You don't even have to show your face. Faceless channels can be massively successful, but there's a huge catch. The era of lazy, robotic, AI-generated spam content is dying. YouTube is getting much better at cracking down on low-effort, reused content that provides no real value. Successful faceless channels in 2026 are built on powerful storytelling, high-quality editing, and unique insights, not just mass-produced garbage. Think about channels that explain complex history, break down financial news, or tell compelling true crime stories. Many thrive without ever showing a host because the value is in the information and the presentation. The path to making money here is twofold. First, through the platform itself, like the YouTube Partner Program or the TikTok Creator Fund. Second, and honestly, often where the real money is, through affiliate marketing and selling your own digital products. Here's how to approach it. 1. Pick a niche with income potential. Don't just pick a passion. Pick a passion that people already spend money in. Think personal finance, specific tech tutorials, health and wellness for a certain demographic, or deep dives into popular hobbies. 2. Focus on value, not virality. Instead of chasing trends, focus on creating genuinely helpful or entertaining content that solves a specific problem or sparks curiosity for your target audience. 3. Monetize with affiliate links. As you create your content, you can naturally recommend products or services you actually use and trust. By including affiliate links in your descriptions or posts, you earn a commission on any sales you drive at no extra cost to your audience. It's honestly one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start earning. The key is consistency. Building an audience takes time, but by focusing on a specific niche and delivering real value, you're building a long-term asset that can generate income for years. This brings us to our fourth model, which pairs perfectly with being a content creator, selling digital products. A digital product is an asset you create once, like an ebook, a template, a guide, or a printable, and can sell an infinite number of times. The profit margins are incredible because there are no shipping or manufacturing costs. However, the idea that you can just toss a generic template on Etsy and make a full-time income is becoming less realistic. While marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip are fantastic, they are also incredibly competitive. As more sellers have entered these platforms, success in 2026 depends on quality, differentiation, and solving a specific painful problem for a niche audience. Instead of a generic budget planner, create a debt snowball tracker for couples combining their finances. Instead of a generic social media template pack, create Canva templates for realtors to promote an open house. Specificity Sells. Here's a realistic plan to get started. First, find a specific problem. Go hang out on Reddit, in Facebook groups, or on Quora, in a niche you actually understand. What questions do people ask over and over? What are they complaining about? Well, that's your product idea right there. Second, create your product with free tools. Honestly, you don't need any fancy, expensive software. You can design amazing templates and printables using the free version of Canva, or write a killer guide or ebook in Google Docs. Third, sell on a beginner-friendly platform. Don't get bogged down building a complex website from scratch. Just use a platform like Gumroad or Payhip. They're often free to start and only take a small cut once you make a sale. Plus, they handle all the boring stuff like payment processing and file delivery for you. The beauty of digital products is that they're a truly scalable form of income. You're not just trading your time for money, you're building an asset that can work for you around the clock, 24/7. Our final business model is print on demand, or POD. This is where you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, and a third-party company handles all the printing, packing, and shipping whenever a customer places an order. Now, you've probably heard that POD is a zero-risk business. Let's be real, that's not quite true. While you don't risk money on buying inventory, you are investing your time. You might spend money on ads to get traffic. And, well, the profit margins can be thin, so you need a smart strategy. The good news is that the print-on-demand market is projected to see strong growth, with some analysts forecasting the global market to reach over $10 billion in 2026 and continue expanding at a compound annual growth rate of over 20%. But, success isn't about uploading hundreds of generic designs anymore. The market has matured. Profitability in 2026 hinges on two things: finding a micro niche and leveraging personalization. Instead of a generic t-shirt with a cat on it, think more specific. Like a t-shirt for owners of Sphinx cats who also love reading fantasy novels. Instead of a generic happy birthday mug, create a mug that can be personalized with a person's name and an inside joke. Personalization is a massive trend that allows you to charge more and really stand out from the crowd. To get started, First, choose a niche you get. So brainstorm hobbies, professions, or communities you're a part of. The more specific, the better, honestly. Second, create simple, targeted designs. Again, a tool like Canva is all you really need. Focus on clever, text-based designs or simple graphics that will make your niche audience say, "That is so me." Third, use a reputable print-on-demand platform. Services like Printful or Printify integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Etsy or Shopify, automating the entire order and fulfillment process. Print-on-demand is still an incredibly viable business, but only if you treat it like a real business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Focus on a specific audience, create designs they connect with, and you can build a sustainable and profitable brand. So there you have it. 5 legitimate, realistic ways to make money in 2026. The AI-assisted freelancer, the hyper-local microservice provider, the niche content creator, the digital product artisan, and the modern print-on-demand seller. Did you notice the common thread? They all require you to pick a direction, develop a real skill, and provide genuine value to a specific group of people. The hard truth is, all the time you're spending searching for the next secret is time you could be spending building one of these. The most successful people online didn't find some magic loophole. They picked a path. They started before they were ready, and they stayed consistent even when it was boring. So my challenge to you is this: stop searching, stop binge-watching how-to videos. Pick one of these 5 models that genuinely gets you excited and commit to taking the first, tiny, imperfect step today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. That is the only strategy that has ever truly worked. Let me know in the comments which one of these paths you're going to start with. I read every single comment, and I'd love to hear what you're going to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.